Welcome back. In today's video we'll try and fix YouTube videos that aren't playing. This will focus on videos within a browser such as Chrome. The methods may be slightly different depending on the browser you are using, and this actually leads on to the first tip, and that is to change the browser you are using currently. Try and see if videos play on another browser. Although hopefully some of the other solutions will help, so try following this video first. Your videos might not start, or you might get a black screen with a spinning loading circle. If your videos aren't playing properly or freezing, then some of the methods might help with that too. I take it you are watching on your phone if you can't get videos to play, but of course you will need to be on your PC for the fixes. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. We'll start by checking that our internet is working correctly. If other pages load up fine and other sites seem normal, then the problem is likely to do with YouTube or some of your settings or hardware. Try checking the status of YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description that you can use to check if there are any problems with YouTube at the moment. If there is and you've managed to watch this video, then unfortunately all you can do is wait. If other pages aren't loading and you think there is a problem with your internet connection, then click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine that will show you how to fix connection problems in Windows 10. I also have an Android version on my channel too, if it isn't working on your Android phone. If you haven't already, it's worth restarting your browser. Close all the tabs, and if you have anything open, make sure it's saved. Once every tab is closed, go to the up arrow in the taskbar and right-click on the browser logo if you see it, for example on Chrome. Now click on Exit and see if that helped. The next thing to try is to clear the cache of your browser. This method should be similar no matter which browser you are on. Load up the browser, for example Chrome, and go to the three dots icon in the top right, and then click on History, and then click on History again, or Clear Browsing Data. If you clicked on History, there should be an option on this page called Clear Browsing Data, so click on that. Make the time range all time, and only check the box next to cache, and then clear the data. Some sites may take a little longer to load when you next visit them, but check to see if this fixed it. We'll now move on to looking at other possible solutions. There is a slight chance that the video won't play due to one of your audio devices being disconnected or changed. I would recommend disconnecting all of your audio devices from your PC after closing the browser. This is things like headphones and speakers, and then reconnect them and try again. Also, have a look in the sound control panel to see if your device is disabled or disconnected. To get there, first go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, click on System, and then choose Sound from the options on the left side. In the sound settings, click on the blue sound control panel link, which is on the right side of the page. In here, make sure you are in the Playback tab. Look for your headphones or the sound output device such as speakers that you use most often. Click on that and then choose Set Default. You could also try disabling this device and then re-enabling it. Click on it and select Disable, and then again and choose Enable. If you don't see it after disabling it, right-click on an option and make sure Show Disabled Devices is checked. You can also disable any devices that you don't use by clicking on those and then choosing Disable. The next thing to try is to make sure that hardware acceleration is turned on in your web browser. This should help especially if your videos are lagging or freezing. To check that it is turned on in Chrome, load it up and head to the settings. This is found by going to the three dots icon in the top right and then to Settings. In the Chrome settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Advanced option to bring up more settings. Now scroll down until you find the section called System. In here, make sure the toggle switch is turned on for hardware acceleration. If it was already on, it may be worth turning it off and then trying to play videos to see if that helped. If it didn't, then you can turn it back on. You may need to restart Chrome when you make these changes to test it to see if it worked. The final solution I have is to speed up your PC in general if you are on Windows 10. There are plenty of ways to do this, and this includes things like freeing up space, ensuring the power settings are best for performance, and many more. Luckily, I've compiled 10 easy ways to speed up your PC, and you can watch those in the video on the card now. They should help speed up your browser experience and improve the chances of your videos playing smoothly, as well as speeding up your PC overall, and all those methods are easy to follow. And so that is how to fix YouTube videos that aren't playing in your browser. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.